Ganda ng views. Aso siya. Bound to Isabela, Santiago tayo guys. Victory Liners. Dito kami ngayon sa Victory Liners. Go for dinner. Uy, sino? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning guys. First day here in Isabela. Dito kami natulog sa bahay na. Yan. So, hindi na ako sariling room. Uy, ganda ng views. Aso siya. Nice view. Front and back, puro po bundok na kapalibot. So ano sila dito sa farming talaga. So hello guys, today ano tayo? Sabi nila mamasyal daw. Pero mainit eh. Tingnan natin kung anong activity magawa natin today dito sa Isabela. Samahan niyo ako mamaya. Ipasyal ko kayo sa Isabela. Hello Sky! Welcome to my vlog!
Mag-vlog yan.
Pasyal muna tayo sa Isabela guys. With the gang. Thanks to our driver. Oh, yung sexy naman driver natin. Nakakahiya.
Jones lang. Wow! That was walking properly.
Nagpasado, tuwid na tuwid. Ang lawak ng Isabela. Oh. More of farm. Sierra Madre pala yan ang bundok guys. Kaya left to the right. San Agustin Public Market. So yung San Agustin ano to town ano? So ito yung ano nila municipal dito sa San Agustin. Tara na, mamasyal na dito sa ano, Isabela. Welcome to our singer, si Sky. Say hi. Shout out sa Canada. Ay, mais pala to, hindi pala to pala. Sorry guys, mais pala to. So ito yung product. Puro corn pala dito. Harvest lang. Lapat. Bili tayo ng mais. Parang ano siya, yung San Francisco Bridge. Ano, ito ba yung Cagayan River? Hindi. Oh, naubusan. Natuyo na yung tubig. Yan, tikman natin itong mais ng Isabela. Ito yung product nila. Ay, may tumutulong. So, cheers tayo guys. Tikman natin. Matamis, sarap.
Lamig. Wow, with the park, Mommy. No, you know why? Because it's in the middle of the road.
Say hi to your vlog.
Hi, Mom.
Shout out.
Hi, Tian.
Hindi na nakakain.
Sarap na ng kain niya. Biglang.
Part pa rin to ng Cagayan River, no?
Ito pag tumaas to.
Ayan, Santiago City. Ito. Hello guys, iinom ako ng bugnay dito sa Isabela. Whatever happened, silang may kasalanan. Pero ito yun oh, homemade daw yun, homemade na no, wine dito sa Isabela. Bugnay ang tawag. Para siyang grapes, di ba?
Yes, berries parang maliliit lang.
So ito, nag-tutorial ako ng sushi at saka mackerel. This is my first time to drink. I heard something na...
Confession ka na.
So,
Confession ka na.
please God be with me. Ba't parang suka? Pwede nga itong pang ano pang salad eh. So guys, ito na yung finished product na tutorial na mackerel. Pinakbit na sili to. Hindi naman siya maanghang guys. Masarap to. Ang dami kong nakain. Munggo. Para kay Bani daw tong dalawa. Tilapia. Nice view.
Dati to, outpost to ng mga sundalo kasi dyan mayroon silang malaki.
Dito kasi wala akong signal eh.
Hindi niya makuha.
Hindi. Baka... Anong kasaba to? Na may... Bigadu. Ano to? Manok na chicken curry.
Uy! Sarabasab!
Oh, sarabasab daw to. Sarabasab. Parang kilawin. May litson pa. Salad. Ay, sayo kayo dalawa.
Yung mga gusto mong magsabi, open ka.
Daming mais, mais. Naman. Guys, iba yung ano dito, river sa dito sa ano ba ito? Santiago? Diego. Diego ba ito? San Agustin. Barangay San Agustin, no? Yung river nito is connected to sa Cagayan River pero nag-evolve na EI na pala talaga yung mga pinapaliguan ngayon kasi dati kalabaw, ngayon tractor na at saka tricycle, malaki truck. We're here now. Shout out naman kayo dyan. May mga garbage din, iniwan. Dapat ma-maintain nila itong cleanliness dito, sayang. Smile naman kayo dyan. Ayoko. Takot. Mga takot maligo. Ang ganda ng bahay. Laki. Shoutout naman kayo dyan. Ganito pala yung sita pag gusto mong yumaman, no? Dapat may mga ganito.
Magkaroon ng ganitong bahay, yan ang sikreto.
Yung food lang ha, yung food lang.
Oh, food lang. Ayaw magpa-video nung ano eh, nagbugaw yung ano lang.
Grabe naman bugaw.
Ayan na pala. Ano natin yung nagano lang. So ito pala yung Kawayan City dito sa Isabela. May traffic light sila pero hindi gumagana. Okay. Shoutout naman dyan sa mga maiyak, yung mga maiyak na bata. Oh, shoutout.
I'm your avid fan.
Ito lang sinelas.
Tatasubyan natin na rapid natin mga
Going to play skate.
Ayun, punta si mama dun sa birthday ni mama.
So meron po sila ditong ano guys, botanical garden dito sa may Kawayan. Sa Kawayan, Isabela. Pasukin natin. Bougainvillea siya pero different color yung flower niya. Pero ang laki ng puno. Pero pala ito bonsai. Ito pala yung ano nila dito guys, yung tourist attraction. Botanical ba ito? Garden? Wala. Dito din na lang. Ito may diwindi. I-video natin tong newlywed. Grabe itong bougainvillea na ito. Laki. Paano kaya na pinalaki ng ganyan, no? Ayan, nakala mo plastic pero hindi pa siya plastic guys, oh. Totoo po siya, oh. Ayan. Ayan, bougainvillea. Puro siya bougainvillea pero ang ganda ng pagpalaki nila, oh. Parang ginawang bonsai. So pwede siguro ito venue ng kasal. Pwede din siguro dito mag-garden wedding. Ito ngayon may kakasal dito. Ayan, oh, magsisit up sila. Oh, say hi to my vlog.
Hi vlog.
Maganda nga sana siya guys, yung lugar na to. Kaso nga lang yung entrance is medyo mahal kasi 100 pesos per person. Pag bata is 50 pesos. So yung entrance fee is wala ka lang ano sa entrance fee mo. Hindi siya consumable. So parang mahal. Siguro nasa 20 pesos dapat. Kasi maglilibot ka lang naman dito. Tulad yun, oh. I-video mo lang itong mga halaman na itong puro bougainvillea. Ang laki talagang bougainvillea na to. Grabe. Paano yung pinalaki to? Wow, nice. Yan ang newlywed natin guys. Si Vanny Aniel. Ang tanong, paano nila to pinabulak ng ganyan? Marcot siguro. Kayo ang model ko sa vlog eh. You know? Sige. Sige.
Marvin Agne, yung blind singer po, the leading Eddie Peregrina. Walang kanta po silapan ka, siya po yung tunay na kumanta. And baka tawag ng tanghalan, season 60 contender. And tawag ng tanghalan, the school showdown weekly finalist, si Angel Cristal. And syempre yung kanyang kapartner, ang Madam Tonyang Angel, sila po yun. Si Angel Cristal namin. And syempre ako. And the original singer ng kantang Malo-Malo na rin-request nyo po ngayon. Kasama po natin yan every Friday.
Sayawan daw. Yung sayawan nila dito sa Isabela. Ayan. Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is we're going back to Manila at this 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and then we will arrive at Manila at 3 in the morning. So we will travel by bus, so it took 9 hours from here to Manila. All I can say about Isabela is I have a good experience here. I experienced some traditional way of celebrating here, just like last night. They're having this kind, all this style of disco or whatever they call it, but I enjoyed it with the gang, with the family of my sister-in-law. The place is nice, of course, the weather, and also, of course, the air that you smell and your breath is very fresh. There's no pollution here. As you can see, a lot of mountains and trees around in this area. Just like that. See? A fresh air that came into my nose, goes to my lungs. It's very fresh, and the place also is very quiet, and it compares to my hometown Siquijor. It's a huge difference. In Siquijor, a lot of disco bar in night time. Yeah, it's a crowded place, and compared here, it's very quiet and relaxing. But sad to say, it's very far. It's very far, yeah. Even if you're going to the city of Santiago, it takes 1 hour by car. Yes, that is good. At least I experienced northern part of the Philippines. This is my first time here in this place, the northern part of the Philippines, in Isabela. That is a good experience. Maybe in the future I will go to like Baguio, or it depends on my budget actually. But all I can see is Isabela is a place that need to visit, you guys. It's a good place. And I think it depends on your host. But if you are a tourist that's staying here, like in hotel or in Airbnb, I think you can find fun here in Isabela. They have this view of mountains, and they have these rivers that you can swim it. But yesterday I don't feel to swim it because it's very shallow, so much better to stay dry than to swim that kind of river.